How's everyone doing today? Hope you're having a great day out there in your garden, getting all your garden chores done, planting things. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up. So I've got some cool news today about the garden. I've been wanting to get bees for a while, and my uncle has found a beekeeper to bring bees out to the garden, and they just set them up last week. So here we go, we got 2 hives, and they are swarming really good in front of the hive here. I've done a close-up with my other camera too, so you guys can see them. But this is pretty cool. I can't wait for some local honey. Looks like they've made a bigger bench here than they had the other day. I think they're going to try to bring out a few more hives. They're just in the process of making some queens and getting them all set up. But yeah, cool. We got honeybees at the farm. So that's going to be awesome because right now we have all the apple blossoms are coming out right now. You can see them here. And all the way over there. There were a bunch of well, they're already gone. Like I was here 2 days ago and all the cherry blossoms were out on the trees over there. So lots of cherry blossoms down there, all these trees here. So the bees were probably out there checking them all out. And they'll probably be moving on to the apple trees, hopefully. And then if all goes well, they'll be in my garden, pollinating all my cucumbers, squashes, tomatoes, and whatever else I got in there. So that's exciting news for the garden this year, is bees. Once the beekeeper comes back out here when I'm here, I'm hopefully going to get to do a little interview with him, ask him a few questions about his bees, how long he's been doing beekeeping, because that's something I'm interested in, and I've always wanted to do, but I just don't have time. So yeah, it'd be awesome. So there you go, guys, just a quick little update, and I'll insert a little clip with the bees up close as well. Doing their thing in front of the hive. And hopefully we'll get some shots inside the hive if I'm here when they are maintaining the coops. Not coops, that's chickens. Maintaining their hives. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day.